Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to select multiple photos or video on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the plus mark. This type of screen will appear. Click on the upload icon. If you want to upload photos, then select photos from here which you want to upload, and if you want to select upload videos, then select videos from your gallery, and if you want to select both of them, some of the photos and some of the videos, now you can select like this and click on the next. After that, you can add songs from here. You can change the effects. You can select songs. You can change template, or you can change everything. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.